in this cold and winter days. I can see sweet smiles on roadside highway. I remembered all the past years and sweet memories. Oh, I'm excited to be on that day with our family. My heart filled with love, joy in this journey, for I know life is too short to show you what I meant to be. But my God is so faithful, wonderful and true. He will light up my days when I'm feeling blue. I'll be here for you on that Christmas day. Though the road is rough and so far away, just close